Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by cutting power to everything, controller and console. Remove batteries or the battery pack now and unplug any wired dongle immediately. This clears transient faults. Once done, perform a full console power cycle. Shut down, unplug the power cord, wait 30 seconds, then plug back in and restart. Make sure the controller LEDs remain unpowered while the console reboots. This isolates the controller. If you have fresh AA batteries, set them aside for the next step. Now you focus on repairing and connection integrity. Press the console sync button so it enters discovery, then press the controller sync on the guide button and the small sync button. Hold each for a couple seconds and watch the ring. If you're using a wireless receiver, unplug and reinsert it, then retry sync. Make sure to test a known good USB cable for wired controllers because bad cables mimic blinking faults. Update firmware when prompted. Outdated firmware can cause communication errors. Finish by inspecting physical parts. Open the battery compartment and check contacts for corrosion, bent springs, or debris. Clean gently with 90% plus isopropyl on a swab and let dry. Install fresh batteries or a known good battery pack, then test sync again. If the controller still blinks, try a different controller on the same console to isolate whether it's the console, receiver, or controller itself. Troubleshooting tip. If blinking persists after these steps, consider component-level repair or a replacement. Blinking often means hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.